The broad markets are bullish today with the backing of both financial and technical stocks. Here we are, Dow up 0.5%, 0.8% on the S&P, and both the Nasdaq and Russell's over 1%. Big moves here. That's quite bullish with only a 2% drop, but I don't expect too much when you're this low. We're under 18 on the VIX, way low here. Here's the S&P daily. Check this out. Let's blow this up so we can really see what's going on here. We made a higher low and a higher high, a bullish day, finding support right here at this trend line coming up. And not quite an engulfing pattern, but close enough to show that we meant business on this move. We did not get a positive tick on the MACD, but one could be coming. We ended fairly bullish on the day with a slight pullback right at the last 15-20 minutes. And this is the Dow. There's the Dow. And a Dow today made a 15-month high. So we did make that. That's bullish. The the MACD here does give us a positive tick. And let's go to the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq still negative ticks here. And the thing I want to show you on the Nasdaq, is we have a bearish divergence in the MACD. But let's pull in some more data. We have a big ugly rising wedge here. And now let's zoom back in. So rising wedges are bearish, and I see a smack in our head. 2330, gang, is going to be a real big number. The reason I say that is because this monthly we have a candlestick right in there. 2330 is a major trend line. If I go back, pull in a lot of data here. Boom, boom, boom. That's where we're at right now. So for the market to really go bullish, we have to get past that trend line. So it's going to be a tough one to get through. I think that if it's not going to get through it on the daily on the S&P, we're going to smack our head around 2330, and it's going to be really tough to get past that area. 2325 to 2330 is a real key area. We did have some nice backing in financial stocks. We also had a nice little push in Nasdaq stocks. So I'm net to the bull or long side in the markets. I unloaded a number of my hedges today. So I'm looking for more positive movement, bullish movement tomorrow. The only thing that could offset that would be some adverse reaction overseas that might take place. And if that is the case, I may come in early pre-market and pick up some future contracts to help offset any adverse movement. So there it is. Happy trading to each and every one of you. Looking forward to seeing you there in the chat room. And the last couple of days I've been in the chat room chatting with you all, and I hope that you'll come in and visit us. Take care.